Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And today, I'm finally sharing another recipe from my Life in Korea Season 3. And this recipe is from one of the most popular video from Life in Korea. It is real authentic Korean street food video, and the link is right here if you want to check it out the video first. Out of all the video, I decided to share one of my favorite street food, which we call Gochu Twigim. It's pepper, thinking like Korean style jalapeno pepper, but it's like totally our own way, and using Korean pepper, our own seasoning to fill it up. It's really delicious, so let's get started. First, let's make that really flavorful filling. You will need 10 ounces of ground pork, and yes, you can use either ground chicken, ground turkey, ground beef, any ground meat that you want to use. But ground pork is very classic for Koreans. 3 cloves of garlic that finely chopped. Garlic is always classic for Korean cooking, right? All right, let's add into the pork. 1/4 cup of shredded carrots. I'm just going to roughly go through with my knife, and 1 green onion or a little small amount of chive. So either one of them, it's totally fine, whatever you decide to use. I'm going to use green onion since it's right here in my refrigerator. Run through with my knife one more time. Now we are going to season them. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and little pinch of sugar, about 1/4 teaspoon or 1/8 teaspoon, not much, just a little bit, and 1 teaspoon of starch, cornstarch. This will actually bind them all together as filling, and little drizzle of sesame oil, about a 1/2 teaspoon. All right, that looks good. Now let's give a good mix. But actually, you know what? Let's do with the hand. Yeah, this feels better. Sesame oil smells so good. All right, I'm gonna set aside this filling right here, and let's talk about the pepper. You can use a jalapeno or ham pepper. A really large pepper is slightly spicy. Those pepper works fine if those are only peppers that you can find, but I'm going to use this nice and big Korean peppers. They are mildly spicy. The skin is quite thin. It's not really that thick. Perfect for this Korean Gochu Twigim because that recipe is actually developed and based on these peppers. But jalapeno or the other pepper I was talking about, those work just fine. So what we need to do is cut this pepper in half lengthwise. Don't go through all the way, just only one side. And put your little teaspoon and scrape it out. Hard enough to scrape out the seeds, but not hard enough to rip it out the skin. Okay, so you need a little power control here. Now I'm just going to rinse through them, so kind of get rid of all the seeds out. All right, I just washed my pepper, and make sure you shake it off all the excess water from the pepper because we don't want that at this time. Here is my tempura powder on a plate. So what I'm gonna do is put some tempura powder all around the inside and out of the pepper. So just put some inside and just shake it out. Just like this, to shake it off to get excess of it, like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just, just roughly. We are doing this step so the filling will stuck to the pepper really well, because otherwise the water from the pepper will push it out the filling after it's cooked, and we don't want that happen. The peppers are coated evenly with the tempura powder, and now bring the filling, and we are going to grab a little spoon and scoop out this filling. You will need about 1 to 2 tablespoons, it's depending on how big is your peppers. Just fill it completely inside, and the side of this pocket part is not too widely open or stretched out. You know what I mean? We still want them to be like nicely closed, not completely closed, but about like this. You get the idea. This filling smells really, really good. Actually reminds me of some of the holiday cooking with my family, because my mom makes a lot of food during the holiday. Well, now she's kind of get old. She doesn't want to cook anymore that much. But I still remember she used to cook a lot of holiday meal, and this filling exactly smells like that. Oh, by the way, I'm heating up my oil to 350 degrees. So this amount of filling is perfect for about 10 large Korean peppers, like large Korean peppers. But if you're using jalapeno or stuff like that, then you might need 14 to 16 of them, depending on your pepper size. All right, they're good to go. Let me wash my hands real quick, because this is time to make the batter. So I have 2 cups of tempura powder right here, and nowadays tempura powder is really easy to find any grocery stores at breadcrumb section. But if you want to make your own tempura powder, go ahead and check out my tempura video. I show you how to make tempura powder from the scratch. But today I'm just gonna use from the store, and in 2 cups of tempura powder we will need 1 1/4 cup of cold water. If you like thicker batter, just go ahead and add 1 cup of cold water. And with a chopstick, just go ahead and give a mix. We want the batter to be nice and thick, not too thin. My oil is hot, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my chili peppers down into, this is why I'm using this little measuring cup style bowl for my batter, because I can go ahead and go like this, a little tilted, and easily coated my peppers with the batter. Because this pepper is quite long, it's a little tricky to get all the batter all around. So, all right, let's get fry up. Deep fry the pepper over 350 degrees oil for 5 to 6 minutes. My Gochu Twigim has done. Look at that. They're so crispy outside. The inside will be so flavorful. I'm going to set aside my Gochu Twigim right here, because we are gonna make the dipping sauce real quick. It's super duper simple. So you will need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, equal amount of vinegar or lemon juice, whatever you prefer, and ½ teaspoon of gochugaru, Korean red pepper flakes. Mix it real quick like so. Ta-da! The dipping sauce is done. We call this Cho-ganjang, meaning it's Cho-ganjang. I almost forgot how to speak Korean. Cho-ganjang. It means sour soy sauce. We serve this Cho-ganjang, the sour soy sauce, for all kinds of deep fried food, because it kind of gives a little, like a refreshing flavor from the tanginess. I'm gonna cut it how the street vendor cut it for me, which is just cut in third. Look at this filling. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. My mouth is watering. I'm going to dipping into the sauce. My sauce. It's so bad. Oh my goodness. It's so simple. Yeah, it's so Korean-y, and it's so delicious. Love how crunchy outside. Even though you took out all the seeds, you can still have the pepper flavor and the meaty filling. If you really like Gochu Twigim, Korean street style, please give me a thumbs up. I will give myself a huge thumbs up because this is delicious. And subscribe my channel for more inspirations and idea of Asian home cooking. Thank you so much for watching me today. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house, making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longest, and this is Asian at Home. And I will see you next time. Bye! Let's add what was it? 너의 목소리가 들려 너의 목소리가